Hi, second graders, it's Miss Grace again. Today we are going to write our favorite seasonal song. So you will need this paper. It has a front and a back. You need this paper and your paper from yesterday, which looks like this. So yesterday we figured out our opinion sentence, our 3 reasons, and explain the 3 reasons, and a closing sentence. So today we are going to use that organizer. It's called an organizer. It helps us organize all of our thoughts, and we are going to write it in paragraph form. So it says right here, write all of your sentences from your organizer. Be sure to reread your writing when you finish. Make sure you have periods and capitals and complete sentences. Draw a picture when you finish. You are going to share your writing on the Flipgrid. There's another Flipgrid created. You guys were so awesome sharing your Snowmen at Night stories on the Flipgrid. They were fantastic. So I can't wait to hear your favorite seasonal songs on the Flipgrid. And also you can share your picture too. So a few reminders over here. It says use your topic sentence from the top of the organizer as your first sentence. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to look. Jingle Bells is the best seasonal song of all time. So that's my topic sentence. That's my very first sentence. So I wrote my name up top by Miss Grace, and my first sentence, Jingle Bells is the best seasonal song of all time. That matches my first sentence up here. Same exact sentence, didn't change it, same sentence. So now I'm going to go on to my next sentence. It says use the reason sentences from the 3 boxes next. So I'm going to use this first box here. I'm going to copy it down here. I'm not going to go under. I'm going to just keep going because now we're writing a full paragraph. So I'm going to write that reason box right here. So here's my reason. I'm actually going to get rid of my underlined transition sentence. So this was my purple box. One reason I love this song. So one reason I love this song is that Jingle Bells makes me think of Christmas. I only ever listen to the song during the holidays. When I'm listening to the song, I know Christmas is near. So I wrote everything from that first box. Now I'm going to write everything from this second box, on the line. So my second purple box was another reason I love this song is that it reminds me of sledding. I don't have a sleigh, but I do have a sled that I love to use to go dashing through the snow. So another reason I love this song is that it reminds me of sledding. I don't have I have to flip to the back, sleigh, but I do have a sled that I love to use to go dashing through the snow. So where are we going next? We have to go back to our planning page, and we're in our third box here. So I'm going to write this third box. I'm going to continue writing on the lines here. So my third box, I also love this song because I like to sing along. I love listening to this song and singing along. I don't think that I could hear it play and not sing along. So there's my third box. So now I have my opinion sentence to start. So that's blue. I have all of my purple reasons here. I'm just color coordinating it for you to see for a minute. I have all my purpley pinky reasons. Now what do I need next? What comes last? What do we think? Let's go back to our planning page. Last is our closing sentence. Nice. So we need to restate our opinion and put that at the end. So I'm going to use my same sentence here and write it at the end. So my last sentence, my all-time favorite seasonal song is Jingle Bells. I can't wait to listen to it again. I'm going to put that at the end of my writing. My all-time favorite seasonal song is Jingle Bells. I can't wait to listen to it again. And I just color coordinated it so you could see again that our opinion sentence was blue. That starts it, the opening, and closes it. And that's just stating our opinion. And then all the purple were all of our reasons, and I have some transitions. One reason, another reason. Those are transitioning from one reason to the next to let the reader know that they're going on to another reason for the explaining part. All right, so remember, you're going to use your organizer. This is called an organizer that helped you organize all of your thoughts and ideas. Write out your full writing. And then you can draw a picture here and then make sure you check out the Flipgrid. You'll have a link in your agenda. Here we go. That link will take us here to the Flipgrid. Favorite seasonal song. What's your favorite seasonal song? Why? Remember to give your reasons. And then you scroll down and record your response. There's no responses yet because we haven't done it yet. So then you record your response and make your Flipgrid. And then you can come back and look and listen to your other second grade friends read about their favorite seasonal song. We can't wait to hear your reading of your favorite seasonal song. I hope you guys have fun with this, and I will talk to you later. Bye!